What's good, everyone? Welcome to the page. My name is Eddie Chiba, and today we're going to be talking about board placement, double gifting, and give you a quick tutorial, quick review on how to get started with your Eternal Seed, how to keep it moving on these boards. Okay, here we go. Okay, this is the board you will see once you click on that link. The link that either a family member or friend sent you. You click on that link, you get it on this board. And before registering your account, you can always scroll down and read what everything is about. You can read what the mission is about. How is it? How is this a virtual back office? Everything is transparent. There's nothing hidden. You place your own self on these boards. You know what I'm saying? You could check out the gifting, the levels in the gifting, how it goes. Remember, in this song, your eternal seed, you only gonna come out of pocket once. Everything else is all house money. So come out of pocket is $25 gift for your first level, and there's a $10 donation because then you go through a Bitcoin process. But I tell you what, if you click on this link and you join through this link, I'll waive that $10 fee. You ain't got to worry about that. So the only time you're gonna come out of pocket is $25 for your first level. So level one is $25 to get $200 to get gifted $200. Level two, you gift 100 to get gifted back 800, and it's worked. It worked for me. I already closed two $25 boards, and I've been gifted 200 twice. Right now, I'm on $100 board and another $25 board. So all I gifted was $25. Everything been house money, and it's helped me pay some bills. It helped me with certain situations. So, it works. I vouch for it. It's valid. Level three is $500. You get gifted back 4,000. Level four is $1,000. You get gifted back 8,000. Level five is 3,000. You get gifted back 24,000. Everyone starts at the $25 level. Once you enter the $25 level, your participation in Yes begins. Every level you will receive gifts from 8 members. That's how the math go. Remember, let's go for this at this $1,000 ball. From 8 members, you will be gifted back 8 times $1,000, which equals $8,000. Remember, you gift once at the $25 level, and he keeps regifting you. In every board, in every level, you'll be gifted back 8 times. So you gift once to get gifted back 8 times. You can't go wrong with that. You know what I'm saying? It's a beautiful thing. You read the whole thing. You read your frequently asked questions. Go through all this. 15 questions. And like I said, once you like what you read, what you saw, you click on join us, fill out this registration form, and boom, you win. That's my name, Eric Herrera. That's my username, Chiba. Don't worry about the $10 donation. I got that. You know what I mean? I have Bitcoin credit, so we go with that. You know what I'm saying? Once you win, you'll end up on my let's get this right here popping right here, pal. Okay. Once you're in my this is how the back office looks. Everyone has the same back office. Once you're here, you're in my back office. Under here, I have my 10 invitees. That's how many invitees I have. 10. I won't show you their names. Their names are in blue because they have their phone numbers there. We don't want to go through that. So right here, I have 10 invitees. These are the boards I've been on, and I've retired 2 boards. So I retired this one here. So that was $200 in gifts that I received back for only giving $25. And I'm on another one here, retired. And I was gifted another $200 for only gifting $25. So it works. It's been working for me. I wake and most of these gifting has happened during the night. I wake up in the morning. I see gifts on my either my Zelle account through my Citibank or my PayPal account. So it works. I've been seeing money while I sleep. Not a bad thing. Oops, my bad. So right here, you will see I'm on a $100 board about to be gifted, which I was gifted a few times. I'll show you in a minute. And I'm on another $25 board. So remember, everyone starts at the $25 level or the $25 board. But remember, you only join the board if you are ready to gift. Now I'm gonna show you how to do the double gifting, which this way you get gifted twice and you make twice the money. It's a good thing. So here we go. This is how it looks. So this is the board I'm on now. This is a $25 board I'm on now. This is my name right here, Chiba. I was a couple last week or so. I was down here. So double gifting is this: you come to where your inviter is under his name, whether he's on this side. Remember, this board splits in four. So imagine it two boards. So you have 8 freshmen that are gonna end up gifting the senior. These 8 freshmen down here gifts the senior. So I was down here one time, maybe a week ago, something like that. So what I did is I went here and I got 2 spots. And how you do that? You click twice. You click on this where it says "Place me here." You click on it twice fast. before the page refreshes, and your name will be here twice. And what you do, you have to gift the senior twice. So this is a $25 board. So instead of gifting $25, if you can, you do it twice. You give $50. This way, once the board splits, and eventually you'll be on two different $25 boards getting gifted in two separate situations. So that's how you double your gift. So see how we did it here for Omar J17 and myself. So on the previous board, I clicked on 1 and 2, and for Omar J clicked on 3 and 4. Once we filled that up, this board split and we got our own board. Now we moved up. Now we're on the sophomore level. And the same thing happened here. So picture this in half. You have 1 through 4 and 5 through 8. So if you wanted to sign on the form RJ and you used her link, you will sign either 5 or 6 or 7 or 8. So you will, let's say you want to click on 5, you click it twice, you get 5 and 6. Or you under me, you click on my board, you click on 1 and 2, quick, 1, 2. So what you do is you come here, you click on this quick before the board refreshes, and you'll be on 1 and 2. That's how you end up moving the board quicker. So eventually, I will be up here in the junior. I will move up to junior, and I will be on two sides of the junior. When I'm ready to move up to senior, whichever side finished first, this board will split, and I'll be on the senior on another board, and this board will stay here until it's retired. So that's the $25 board I'm on. See how double gifting works? I'm also on this other $25 board right here, which I'm about to be gifted, or I have been gifted here completely finished. That was that board before. See, I was gifted here completely. So I can vouch for that. So remember, when you're a senior and these people send you their gifts, you have to confirm the payment. You have to confirm the gift. That's how it works. If you don't confirm it, you know what I'm saying? The board doesn't close. The board doesn't retire. I had to confirm everyone here that gave me a gift of $25, which was $200. So that's how I'm confirming it. It works. It's official. And I'm also on this $100 board right here, which one, two, three, four, five, six people have gifted me $100, and I had to confirm those payments, and it worked. And when it went through my Zelle or PayPal account, that's how I get gifted through Zelle or PayPal. So you can get gifted in four ways: Zelle, PayPal, Venmo, or Cash App, either whichever way you prefer. So that it works, and it's working for me. I've been seeing results, and I'm sure you'll see results to help you pay, some bills, to help you, put some food on the table. We're all going through situations right now, especially with all this COVID and all this, layoffs and people not working. This really does help. You help someone once, 8 people will help you in return. So you help someone once, 8 people will help you in return on every level, on every board. I'll show you how it works right now with every board. So once you finish this board, you only come in on the $25 board, and you get two spots, two $25 spots. Then when you finish here, you jump on the $100 level. So remember, you're gonna get 200. You're gonna get gifted $200 on this $25 board. From that 200, you take 100. You jump on this board. You also come back to this $25 board and get two more slots. So now you're left with $50. That $50 is yours. You can do what you want to do with it. Some gas, a little bit of food for the week, for work. You know what I mean? So you go with that. But you know you're gonna be good. And remember, all these boards are pushed up from the bottom. Everything is pushing for the $25 board. So once you're on this $100 board, like I am over here, where I'm about to be gifted down here on this $100 board, I'm about to retire this board. So I'm gonna be gifted by 8 people, $100. That's $800. Once I get that, I'll take 500 out of that 800 and join this $500 board, and come back here and get two more slots on the $25 board. So this way I help keep pushing the boards up, and I'll be in every board. Eventually I'll be on every board, moving up, moving up. So I'll be getting gifted on every board constantly. So once I finish here, that'll be $4,000 you receive from here. You get gifted from this 500. So from 4,000, you take 1,000 and you go on the next board. Then you take $50, you come back to the $25 board and get two more slots here, and just let it keep growing, let it keep growing. Once you get gifted here by 8 people, that'll be $8,000. You take 3,000 from that 8,000, come here. Now you're on a $3,000 board, and you come back here and get two more spots on the $25 board. Your team will and everyone on your team will do the same thing, and this board will just keep moving. Very simple, very simple, nothing hard. Remember, you started with $25. Everything else is house money. I mean, you can't go wrong with this. You know what I mean? So I just gotta say in closing that it's working. It's been working for me. It's real simple. Join the $25 board. Click twice on place me here, and that'll be your double gift. Instead of 25, it'll be $50 if you can. If you can, then $25 is good. And remember, only join the board when you are ready to send the gifts. Most people, want to receive their gifts within 24 to 48 hours, and there's no need to hold up any boards, staying there longer without you sending the gifts. So between 24 to 48 hours, you send the gifts, you're good to go. That's how that board works. And with teamwork, we'll make this dream work. So it's working. It's helping people out. I'm seeing people on the Telegram pages, on other boards, and people are moving and people are seeing results. So it's a good thing. It's a blessing. And listen, there's no monthly dues here. You don't have no membership fees, and there's no pressure, no selling any products. There's not MLM. There's no upline, downline, none of that stuff. We're just helping each other as adults, put food on a table, gas in the car, help pay some bills, help pay some rent, savings. This is good for all of that. However you want to use it for is whatever's best for you. Pay your mortgage, put it down. Imagine getting 24,000 at this level, and you've been gifting twice, so that 24 you turn it into 48,000. That's our down payment on a house. You know what I'm saying? Pay your bills, straighten out your credit, do all that good stuff with it. Go take a nice vacation, travel somewhere, take the wife, the family somewhere nice, Bora Bora. You know what I mean? Can, the Canary Islands, which I've been there, so you can do something like that. It helps, it works. So I like to say, thank you for watching. If I gave you any value, click on that like, that subscribe, comment, and share as much as you can. It'd be greatly appreciated. Y'all all have a blessed 2021. Be good, everyone.